Oats are a highly nutritious whole grain that offers numerous health benefits when incorporated into a daily diet. Here are 10 benefits of eating oats every day. 1. Rich in nutrients. Oats are a good source of essential nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, such as B vitamins, minerals, such as iron and magnesium, and antioxidants, all of which are crucial for overall health. 2. High in fiber. Oats are packed with soluble and insoluble fiber, which helps improve digestion, regulate bowel movements, and maintain a healthy gut. 3. Heart health. Regular oat consumption can help reduce LDL cholesterol levels, the bad cholesterol, and promote heart health, thus lowering the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 4. Stabilizes blood sugar. The soluble fiber in oats helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, leading to better blood sugar control, making it beneficial for people with diabetes. 5. Weight management. Oats promote a feeling of fullness due to their high fiber content, which can aid in weight management by curbing excessive eating and promoting satiety. 6. Lowers blood pressure. Oats contain beta-glucans, which have been linked to reducing blood pressure and thus contributing to improved heart health. 7. Boosts immunity. The antioxidants in oats, such as avenanthramides, can help boost the immune system and protect the body against harmful free radicals. 8. Improved skin health. Oats possess anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated skin when applied topically or reduce inflammation when consumed. 9. Supports brain function. The B vitamins and antioxidants in oats contribute to better cognitive function and may help reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. 10. Digestive health. Oats help maintain a healthy gut environment, supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which is essential for digestive health. It's essential to note that while eating oats every day can be beneficial, a well-balanced and varied diet, coupled with a healthy lifestyle, is essential for overall well-being. Additionally, individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity should opt for certified gluten-free oats to avoid any adverse reactions. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet.